Welcome back. So if you had the opportunity last week to check out my DIY project right behind me, as you can see, last week I redid the whole steps. I took off the protective treads, I painted the steps, and also I put new solar lighting up. So today, the next project will be not a DIY, because sometimes you just got to call in the professionals. So what is it that you may ask? What is the next project? Well, we're going to head to the roof. We are going to clean, I should say, not we, he is going to clean my 2 ACs on the roof, and with his permission, I will be able to share with you this video and see how it turns out. So Jacob came. He has a company called A Little R&R AC, and he came and cleaned our ACs. I did ask him with his permission to do a video on it, but he really don't want to do that, but he said I was able to watch him. Totally understand. That's okay. So I went up on the roof with him, and really the ACs were basically clean. The only problem was one of our ACs needed Freon, so he added 5 pounds of Freon. And so we feel that this is going to help out a lot. You know, it's just so hot. These ACs run all the time. They can never keep up. And hey, that's what it is with an RV. I always call it the little tin can. So if you enjoy these types of videos, DIYs, or hey, having a professional come once in a while, please leave a comment down below. I would really enjoy hearing, listening, reading your comments, and I do answer every one of them. So until next time, I really appreciate you watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that like button, share it with all your friends, and hit that notification bell to all, so you'll be notified when I put more of these excellent, wonderful videos out there. So until next time, remember, your journey in life is as valuable as the destination. To be continued.